This episode warms the soul with a rustic and comforting dish from the coast, Portuguese fish soup, bursting with seafood rich in flavor and layered with traditional spices. This soup is a family favorite and perfect for any season. Portuguese fish soup.
1 sea bass, 1 seabream, half a monkfish, 400 grams of shrimp, peels and heads reserved, 3 tablespoons of pepper paste, 2 chopped onions, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, piri piri. Broil shrimp, heads, shells, monkfish bones, red pepper paste, salt, and 1 chopped onion in 2 liters of water. Sauté chopped onions in a separate pot. Add remaining red pepper paste and cook briefly. Pour in strained fish broth and bring to a boil. Add pasta and cook for 10 minutes. Add monkfish pieces and reserved shrimp. Add seasoning if needed.
That's it, a steamy bowl of Portuguese heritage and flavor. We hope this seafood soup brings the same comfort to your table as it did to ours. See you in the next episode.
Faça e coma!